Hey traders, most beginners see support but still enter at the wrong time. So let me show you the simple way to enter correctly. We are using only support, so no complicated strategy. So always wait for the market to reach the support. For example, this was a very good support level right here. Okay, why? Because the market tested it almost the second time. You can see right here that the market tested here the second time. Okay. So now making it to be a very good support right here. So now we will wait for the market to come back to our support level here, and we shall be able to execute the market. So let the market come to your level. Remember, patience is a part of trading. Okay. So now let's see here that when the market come, it came and retested our support. You can see here we can wait for the rejecting candles. Okay, and we see how to enter. You see, it rejected our support and left a wick. Now we want to get our confirmation, our candlestick confirmation. Okay. So now, first of all, we have got a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and it is a very good confirmation that we always use with our strategy. So now here, you can enter at support after a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern right here. So now here, we always enter the close of this candle, and remember, we always put our stop loss just below this candle, and we put our TP according to your risk tolerance, a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 trade. Okay. So now here we shall wait for the market to move, and we see whether it will reach our TP. You can see right here that it has reached our TP after waiting for our trade to run. So why this works? So you are trading where institutions are active, not chasing price. You are entering at value. Okay. So now that's why this one will always work for you. So in the next video, we will talk about why many beginners still lose by entering too late. So thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and giving a like to this video.